Yes students, yesterday we have started with the concept of single entry system. We have done 2 sums so far. Today we are going to do the third sum. So open page number 59. So before starting the sum, okay, yesterday I gave you one format, okay. See, there is one formula which you need to by heart by default, okay. What was that? Repeat after me. Capital at the end of the year, add drawings, less additional capital, less capital at the beginning of the year, okay. After doing this, we will get either net profit or net loss, okay. See, this formula you have to keep constant no matter what, okay. In this formula, 2 things are mandatory without which we will not get net profit or net loss, that is capital at the beginning of the year or capital at the end of the year. These 2 things are mandatory, without which you cannot find out net profit or net loss. And why are we doing this chapter? Because ultimately we want to know whether we are getting a profit or we are suffering from loss, okay. Now open page number 59 students, problem number 3, okay. See, calculate closing capital as on 31st March 2015. See students, as I told you, entire process we are going to do to find out either net profit or net loss, okay. See, to calculate while calculating these 2 things are mandatory, that is capital at the end of the year and capital at the beginning of the year. If these 2 things are missing, we cannot find out net profit or net loss. See, what are they saying is, opening capital as on 1st April 2014 is 13,000. Loss incurred during the year is 2,500. See students, if we are going to implement different formulas different times, then we will get confused. So we will keep our format constant, okay. See, here I will write first statement of profit or loss account, okay. Then here I will write particulars and amount, okay. First I will write capital at the end of the year, then add drawings, less additional capital, less capital at the beginning of the year. You will get net profit or net loss, okay. See, first what I have done, I have written the format which I know, okay. Now let's go back to our sum students. What are they saying is, calculate closing capital, okay. Now students, have a pay attention. Working note. What are they asking us to calculate? Okay, they are asking us to calculate closing capital. So here I will say, let the closing capital be X. What I am saying? Let the closing capital be X. Now understand. Let the closing capital be X. Do we have drawings? No. See, whether we are having drawings or not, that doesn't make any difference, right? Because to calculate net profit or net loss, 2 things are mandatory, that is capital at the end of the year and capital at the beginning of the year, right? See, now they are asking us to calculate what? End of the year. Drawing information we doesn't have, so we will put a dash. So x plus 0, answer will be x, okay. Now additional capital, have they given additional capital? No, they have not given us additional capital. Again, x minus 0, you will get answer again x, okay. Next, what are they saying? Loss incurred during the year. See, opening capital as on 1st April 2014 is 13,000. What are they saying? Answer is 13,000. Capital at the beginning of the year was 13,000 and loss incurred during the year was 2,500. Understand students, here we don't have profit, here we do have loss. How much it is? Loss is 2,500. Loss, it means it is negative, that's why I am putting that in a bracket. So see students, what calculation, what amount I got? See, here I got a equation. What is that equation? X minus 13,000 is equal to, okay, minus 2,500. Are you understanding this students? Now, what will I do? I want to find out the value of x. Okay, so if minus 13,000 is traveling after is equal to, minus will become plus. So here I will write 30,000. This minus 2,500 will be as it is. Thus, x is equal to 13,000 minus 2,500. Answer is 10,500. Now what is this x? Thus, capital at the end of the year is equal to rupees 10,500. See students, if you have observed, we didn't change the formula at all. We just put everything in a formula. At the end we got an equation and we just simplified it. Okay, if you are having any doubts, please do ask. Okay, this was problem number 3. We will do one more problem students, that is, I am erasing it now. We will do problem number 4 as well, because these are very short problems. And do remember one thing students, this question or this type of this chapter will come for 5 marks in your final exams. Okay, so and definitely it's quite easy, so easily you will able to score full marks in this chapter at least. Okay, now ascertain the profit or loss of a concern. I am doing problem number 4 now students. Okay, see, capital at the end of the year 34,000, capital at the beginning of the year 36,500. They are asking us to ascertain profit or loss. So first I will write here statement of profit or loss account. Okay, then here I will write particulars, amount. Okay, let's start students. See, first is capital at the end of the year. Capital at the end of the year, how much amount they have given is 34,000. Add drawings. Do we have drawings amount? No, so we will put a dash. 34,000 plus 0 is 34,000. Less additional capital. Do we know what is our additional capital? No, they didn't give any information, so we'll put a dash. Again 34,000 minus 0 will be 34,000. Less capital at the beginning of the year. Okay, how much it was? It was 36,500. So obviously we are getting answer in negative. It means there is a net loss. How much? Okay, net loss will be of 2,500. Okay, because it is a loss, we are getting answer in negative, that's why it is a loss. And to show loss, I am putting this in a bracket. Okay, so this was problem number 4, very easy. We just substituted the amount in the given format and we got the answer. Okay, now we will do one more sum students, because it's very easy. We will do page number 60, problem number 5. Okay, See, find out closing capital, same way whatever we have done in the previous sum. Opening capital of the concern 9,800, profit of the concern 3,200. They are asking us to calculate what? Closing capital. Okay, pay attention students. First we will stick on to our basics, that is, first we will write down the format. Statement of profit or loss account. Okay, every time you need to write this. Okay, without heading you should not start. Okay, sorry, I'm very sorry. Then we'll prepare format, particulars and amount. Okay, first is capital at the end of the year. Okay, this is what they are asking us to calculate. Add drawings. They didn't give any information about drawings. Less additional capital. This information is also not there, right? Less capital at the beginning of the year. How much capital at the beginning of the year? Capital at the beginning of the year was 9,800. And what do we got here after solving this? We got net profit. What is a net profit? Net profit is 3,200. Now, okay, what we need to find out? We want to find out capital at the end of the year. So here, see the calculation. Let the capital at the end be x. Okay, now see, x plus 0 we got x, x minus 0 we got x. Okay, now here we got equation. What is that equation? X minus, okay, 9,800 is equal to, net profit is how much? 3,200. See students, in the previous sum, I am talking about the problem number 3. Okay, in that sum, like we have taken minus amount when it comes on net loss. Because loss was there, we have taken amount in minus. But now here we do have a profit, that's why we are taking plus amount 3,200. And what calculation here I got? X minus 9,800 is equal to 3,200. I need to find out the value of x. So how will I find out? X is equal to, okay, minus will become plus 3,200 plus 9,800. Thus, x is equal to 13,000. Now what do we mean by x? X means capital at the end of the year is equal to rupees 13,000. This was problem number 5. Okay, so in today's class, students, we have done 3 problems, very basic problems. Only what if you have observed, you will come to know that we are just going to remember one format, that is capital at the end of the year, add drawings, less additional capital, less capital at the beginning of the year, and entire this drama we are doing to find out net profit or net loss. Thank you.